This is Mateo Garcia with YouTube Creator AI. I want to show you a full script here that YouTube Creator AI generated. Just come here, come to the left-hand side to full script. I just put in these few keywords and topic, put in engaging storytelling, long form, and within a little under 30 seconds or so, it gave me a full script with a hook, scene 1, voiceover, scene 2, scene 3, scene 5, and an outro. This is all up-to-date, trending information, just happened over the past, couple days. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. I did this for my real estate channel. Check out Rich Fabulous here soon. This video will be up on that channel. You can check this out for your channel as well.
Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Brooklyn, two stars, Lily Allen and David Harbour, crafted a maximalist dream home that captivated the world. But now, that dream is on the market, and its recent price drop of nearly $700,000 tells a story far deeper than just real estate.
Last time I was single and I was living on the Lower East Side. I have a family now. Kids.
Remember that incredible Architectural Digest tour featuring Lily Allen and David Harbour's Brooklyn townhouse? It was a spectacle of English charm, modern Brooklyn sensibilities, and rich Italian influence. Purchased in early 2021 for a cool $3.35 million, this Carroll Gardens brownstone wasn't just a house. It was a canvas for their eccentric,
we have this double-sided sofa, which means David and I can argue and sort of be looking at each other.
And then face over.
With the help of designer Billy Cotton and architect Ben Bischoff, they transformed it into a 4-story, 5-bedroom masterpiece, complete with a private garden, sauna, and even a cold plunge pool. It was a place that truly reflected their vibrant personalities, a sanctuary in the city. But as we all know, even the most beautifully designed homes can't always contain every chapter of a story. Fast forward to October 2025, and news broke. The cherished brownstone, once a symbol of their union, was on the market. This wasn't just a regular listing. It coincided with reports of Lily Allen and David Harbour's separation and acrimonious divorce.
From wife Lily Allen. 2 months after he